here in Battle Creek, Michigan, at the very place where God inspired His church to begin this tremendous, mighty movement and Advent message all across the world, using Revelation 14 and the three angels' messages. Right here in Battle Creek, the General Conference of Seventh-day Adventists was organized in 1863. That's 150 years ago.
We're here in historic Adventist Village in Battle Creek, Michigan. This is a 3-block campus. The village is located on a 3-block campus. And what we have here are historic buildings, some original on site, some that have been moved in, and we also have some replicas, because we're trying to preserve the story of God's leading in the history of the Seventh-day Adventist Church. It is very important for us to know where we came from and why we're here and what our mission is. If we don't know our roots, then we really don't know where we're going or why we're doing anything now. So the attempt here is to retell that story of the pioneer men and women who started our church.
We've been looking back, understanding how God has led in the past, but I want to tell you the most important thing is that we don't forget how God has led us, because He's going to lead us in the future. Each one of us has been called to be tremendous, valiant workers for God. For Jesus is coming soon. Don't ever forget, you are a vital part of the great mission that God has entrusted into the hands of Seventh-day Adventists. Let this 150th anniversary of the establishment of the General Conference be a strong commitment for you and for me to look forward to Christ's soon coming and to take as many people along with us by God's grace.
As we draw to a close of this 150th year, this anniversary of church organization, we must look to the future and look to what our mission will be. How will we shape it? What will we focus on? We remember the pioneers, and we remember their commitment, their sacrifice, and the fact that they didn't see outreach as just an event or just a program. They saw it as a lifestyle. And as we move forward in mission, we must see our outreach as not just something that we do occasionally, but it's something that every church member can be involved in. Not just being involved in church activities, but being involved in connecting with the community in a holistic way, following the example of Jesus, who actually rubbed shoulders with people, connected with people, touched people, got to know people and ministered to their needs in a holistic way. We are called to do the same. And the Seventh-day Adventist Church began as a church planting movement, focused on starting new groups of believers. And as Seventh-day Adventist mission progresses, it must keep its focus on starting new groups in new areas, among new people groups, in new and creative ways. This gospel of the kingdom will be preached in all the world, and it will be done so by men and women who keep their eyes fixed on Jesus and try to follow His example of holistic ministry.